Hi, beautiful souls. Welcome to the first episode of Feel It Fridays under Tamanna Awakens, where I, Tamanna, would like to create a space for all of you where we honor the emotions that are there inside us, inside every human being. But I don't know why we keep on denying it. So, today, the first thing that I'm going to talk about is the tears that we have inside us and why do we keep on hiding them. I am a girl who has seen a lot of situations in life, a lot of problems, and there were nights that I have cried so much that I didn't want the next morning to come. I didn't want, and I didn't even think that there will be a next morning, or will there be a sunrise, or will my tears still be there inside me, or will I even be breathing the next morning. But what happened? Nothing. Even after all those nights, the day came up. Even after all those storms that happened in my life, all the people who left, all the situations that happened, I'm still here sitting in front of you. Who knows, you, me, or anybody watching this video, or anybody who has got this video with a share, might have cried yesterday night like hell due to some situation in their life, or due to some incident that happened and shocked them, which they never expected and came out of the blues. But is it so easy to give up on life, or to just think that there will be no tomorrow, there will be no sunrise, and things will happen just like that? No, all we need to do is accept the fact that this is life, not clear, not bumpy, but yes, always rising. Life is here to take us through our karmas and to make us believe that no matter what happens, honor your situation, honor your feelings, release, cry, but then wipe up your tears, get up, feel strengthened, and have a smile on your face and keep going. You know, we live in a society where people just say and teach us that no matter what has happened in your life, but the world is not going to be around people who always keep on crying. That's very true, but it doesn't mean that you need to keep on hiding your feelings. You need to keep on protecting yourself from crying from all the releases. When you're hurting, you need to release. This is the thing which I learned. But also, the fact that comes along is you always cannot keep on crying. If there's a situation in your life, okay, honor your emotions, cry about it, howl about it, weep no matter how long you want. Even if sometimes it takes you 10 years, 17 years, or 5 years. And I know I'm talking about quite a long period, but even if it takes a week, a month, or a quarter, cry, release it out. Do not keep everything inside you. That is why the concept of therapists and everything is on a rise today. Because we all have bottled up our situations and emotions so much that we do not even know what is stopping us from going ahead in life. All I want to say you is, I am here for you. You can tell me your situations. I know it becomes very difficult to talk to a stranger, but it becomes more difficult to talk to your family, to talk to people around you, because you then start feeling doubtful that what if those people judge? What if you become so vulnerable and so attached and those people leave you? How about your emotional dependency then? This all has happened with me, so that is why I am telling it to you. What if all those people who were once there in your life change? How will you cope up with it? But it's okay. If you have fought the times what you think were one of the painful moments in your life, then this shall too pass. I'm sorry, this is a very, very famous line of Bible, and this has comes almost 400 times and more than that, which says this too shall pass. I am a human. I fumble. I am not that confident, but I am improving. I am becoming confident with every video that I am making. I do follow other things, other books and references which help me to design my scripts. And sometimes I just get a nudge to make the video without seeing a script, without checking out things, just link it to my past life, just link it to the situations which I have been feeling. But does it mean that I am not going to create something which is not meant for you people? I don't know how I landed to all of this. I don't know. Like, this is the truest form of me, the truest feelings which I have. I don't know how I landed up into all of this, but now since I am making a video every day, I am recording in front of the camera. I feel like this is me. I feel like I have to do it every day, no matter what happens, no matter what challenges are going in my life, no matter what I am feeling. Everyone who comes in front of the camera is not exactly that happy, is not exactly the person who is behind the camera. This is the biggest difference between real and real life. But you know what? I will try my best to share everything that is happening in my life, because maybe some situation or some challenge or something is also happening in your life and can help you in the tough times, in the situations that I have already gone through. And sometimes the stories, the comments that you will share, the things you will share might come into my life tomorrow. And your sacredness, your trust in me would help me to fight those challenges in my life too. So let's come together and create a space which help not only you but the people around you feel safe, feel heard, and maybe they can express not to their family members but a stranger like you, and help them heal, awaken, and arise. The final thing that we all are here for is liberation, the moksha. And the gate that will be there for all of you, call it the richest billionaire, call it the one who lives on a land even without a home, without a bed, will be common for all of us. So, every Friday, if you resonated it with me, please keep on coming back and let us talk about our feelings. Let us know how a human is made. Let us know how, in spite of everything in life, we should keep going. I have a curriculum designed, and I really hope I honor that, because I know this is my soul's purpose somehow inside from me. So, with all the things that are inside me, I would somehow invite you to become a part of this journey and help yourself arise. Until then, please stay safe and take care. God bless you all. See you next Friday in Feel It Fridays under Tamanna Awakens. With love and light, Tamanna Awakens.